Hello everyone, once again welcome back to the online class of Montressier School. My name is Nazdeen, your EVS teacher, and today in this class I am giving you the revision of I will give you the revision of chapter 1 to question answer. Okay, why I am giving you this? Because if you while you have written the question answer, if there is any mistake, so that you can rectify that, and so for that I am dictating you the answer, you just follow me. Okay, so for that you just take out your EVS copy, question number chapter 1 and 2, and follow me. See, this is your chapter number 1. Okay, what is it? Define. Number 1, arteries, the blood vessels that carry oxygen rich blood to all parts of the body. Number 2, veins, the blood vessels that carry impure blood containing waste material. Full stop. Give reason. So this is the give reason. Number 1, human heart is of the vital organs of our body. Full stop. Answer, because it pumps blood to all different parts of our body. Full stop. Number 2, kidneys cleans our body. Answer, kidneys cleans our body because they help to remove waste from the body. Full stop. Number 3, we must not eat junk food. Full stop. Now your answer is, we must not eat junk food because they are harmful for our body. Now come to question answer. Question number 1, what is digestion? Question mark. Now your answer is, digestion is the process breaking down of food into smaller parts. See the spelling of smaller, SMALLER. Smaller parts that can be easily absorbed, ABSORBED, by our blood. Full stop. Question number 2, write short note on liver. Full stop. Answer, liver is the largest organ and the largest gland in human body. Full stop. It is located inside our body. Full stop. It helps digestion of fatty acid, comma, removes harmful chemicals from the body in the form of waste material through the kidneys. Here your chapter 1 has been completed. Now come to chapter number 2. This is your chapter number 2. Define. Number 1, viruses. It is a very small infectious agents that cause diseases in people, comma, animals and plants. Full stop. Now this come to question number 2, parasite, an organism that lives on the body of another organism and obtains nourishment, NOURISH, nourishment from MENT, nourishment from it. Full stop. Give reason. Number 1, ORS must be taken during diarrhea. Now your answer is, because it replaces lost fluids and essential salts in the body. Full stop. Number 2, we should not touch electrical gadgets and switches with wet hands. Full stop. Answer, because we can get electric shock. Okay, now come to question answer. Question number 1, write any 3 ways in which we can keep ourselves healthy and fit. To keep, your answer is, to keep ourselves healthy and fit, comma, we should, point number A, exercise daily, point number B, eat healthy food, point C, drink clean water. Now come to question number 2, what are communicable diseases? Give example. Answer, the diseases which spread from an infected person to a healthy person are called communicable diseases. Example, typhoid, 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 comma, cholera, 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 comma, malaria, 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 etc, etc. Full stop. Come to question number 3, how can you help yourself safe at home? Question mark. Write any 3 points. Now your answer is, to keep ourselves safe at home, we should not, point number 1, play with fire. Full stop. Point number 2, touch electric switches with wet hands. Full stop. Point number 3, scatter your things on the floor. Okay, now here this is the last question answer of chapter 2. So the revision of chapter 1 and 2 completed. Okay, so if you have done any type of mistake, you can rectify that mistakes from my this video. Okay, so for today's class, that much only. In this class I have given you the revision of chapter 1 and 2 question answer. Okay, now your today's homework is revise question answer of chapter 1, and I hope that you all are keeping well at home and studying also. Whatever instructions we are giving you, you are following that. Okay, so I hope you will be safe at home. So for today's class, that much only. Thank you. Goodbye.